Good morning. Welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Last night, I prepared my Werner's meatballs to include the meatballs based on my mother's recipe. All right, I got to be honest. I burned them. Well, not all of them. One, they were too wet. I tried to correct it. They didn't get dry enough. Okay. I'm sticking with frozen from now on. But they were good. They were yummy. I prepared the sauce in a separate saucepan, then added it and let it simmer once it was simmered for a while and simmered with the meatballs. Yes, it was really good over mashed potatoes. Today, before I had to do this recipe for today, I had to basically rewrite this recipe. The ingredient list is fine, but that even had to be fixed. The instructions, the method was just yuck. I think the person who wrote the recipe was paid by the word. It just had a lot of extra stuff in it that didn't need to be there. Yeah. All right. So tonight, I am preparing lemon shrimp orzo with asparagus. This should be a fun dish. I'm going to add a few things to it since I've laid out the mise en place. So let's take a look. Got some hardware going. Got the saucepan for the orzo and the Dutch oven for all the shrimp and everything else. The asparagus, so basically everything will combine into the Dutch oven. Got some good looking asparagus. Not quite as thin as I like, but this is good. Of course, I've got some orzo. The shrimp I'm using, it's a Nob Hill brand. These are Key West pink shrimp. They're not cooked. They're 20-30 count. So, but they're 1 pound bags and they're actually pretty reasonably priced, even when not on sale. So I'm trying these. I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow morning. Of course, I got some olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper. Yes, there's plenty of garlic in this dish. Some white wine. Of course, lemon. I'm using bottled lemon this time. Still using the Kerrygold unsalted butter. And there's going to be some capers. And for the seasonings, we've got some Italian herb blend from the local spicery, some red chili pepper flakes, a little bit of thyme, and the jar of sweet basil Mexican sweet basil is in place because I'm going to pick up some fresh basil this morning. And I'm also going to add some shallot, some diced shallot to this dish. So that's tonight's menu. It's pretty simple prep. Robin and I were just discussing it. Robin is here still. I'm doing my message early because I've been up since 4. So yeah, not a lot of prep. I got to clean up the shrimp and the asparagus and the shallot and the basil. Easy peasy. So on this Thursday, this thunderous Thursday, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.